Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of TOMY Repairs. Today we will be talking about standard engines, as in like the Trackmaster era. You know, where they had those like rectangular motors, I don't know how to describe them. Anyways, today we will be using Ben as our sacrificial engine. I am no longer scared of saying it. He is going to die. Alright, anyways, let's get to disassembly. Today we shall talk about side rods. Hold on, sorry. No, I'm not talking about that. It's only about side rods. This whole video now. Let's say your side rods are like chewed up, like your dog got to them. Yuck. Well, you shall have to take them off.
Hold on.
Hold on. Okay, before I do this, please do not use these types, because if you squeeze too hard, you'll cut up the side rods. I'm only doing it because I'm lazy. You gotta be careful. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do this off camera, folks. Okay, but look. Let's first do this part. This one's the easiest part. Just take them off the front wheel and then gently take them off from the driving wheel. Don't try to stretch them. You mess it up permanently. And Playrel sadly does not sell side rod packets, which they really should. And now, boom, side rodless. Now with your new side rods, you just put them in there. And then, oh yeah, good part about these types of engines is that the gear usually never cracks. It's a good type. Now, all you gotta do is just put it back. Put it back on, and your side rods have been repaired. We shall. Sorry. Anyways, on to the motor. So the most common issue with these types of motors is three things. One, corrosion, which if you want to find out to get rid of that, watch my first video. Then cracked gears, which I also personally do. This one, I think it's a 6-tooth gear. Make sure it's small, like this size. This gear always gets cracked. And lastly, the motor, which you desolder from here and from here and then solder in the new motor. That's actually what I did to this engine, I think. And make sure you don't lose this ring. Also, the terminal comes off this part, so make sure that you have it in there. We shall now reassemble the engine. I am making a J50. I'm actually right now the J50 parts are currently getting a drying right now as a clear coat. It's almost done. I'm starting work on another engine. What I'm saying is, it will be a realistic take of that engine, as in it's just its real model. Anyways, thank you and have a great day.